Here we have about a 2,000 square foot home. It's got about 150 feet of gutter length on it. Some of it has been filled with open cell foam, maybe about 15 years prior. Some of it doesn't have anything in it, but it does collect a lot of dirt. It also was recently cleaned where it didn't have the foam in it. And here you can see what it looks like with the foam in it. This is under a big oak tree, so it gets a lot of the oak flowers and leaves. They tried to clean it, got about halfway down it, and decided it was too difficult to clean. Here's the other side of the house with nothing in it but some dirt. This was recently cleaned. And then moving back over the top again, we have a different angle of the really the worst one, which is this section under the oak tree. As you can see with a closer look here, it gets clogged up with dirt, and then it promotes moss growth. Same thing here. Both these levels have open cell foam in them. Not so bad with the moss, but they collect a lot of dirt, and so it causes a lot of backwash, water falling outside of the gutter rather than down the downspout. And it was 4th of July weekend when they installed this, so take a break here for the fireworks and spare you the install video section. So now it's all done. It looks fabulous from up here. Of course, you'll never see this from down below, but the peace of mind knowing this leaf armor is there is great. No more climbing up or paying someone to do it. Yeah, the roof doesn't look that great. That's the next project. But hey, also we had a downspout extension installed there, a little Easter egg. So Leaf Armor did that as an add-on for me. Looks great. Both levels here have the Leaf Armor. Swinging around to the front in a moment here. We'll see how great that looks again. Really nice and clean. So excited not to have to do this again. It's worth it. Bit more of a close-up here. This is high res, so you could stop and look closely at it if you want to. But it's really screwed down nicely to the brackets they install and the gutter itself with sheet metal screws, aluminum. A little closer look here too. This was the worst side with all the leaves from the oak trees and stuff. So yeah, very happy. Look how tight that's installed there, that downspout. Beautiful. A little bit of the bird shadow in here, but wanted you to have a closer look at the top of this. And we did both levels. The lower level has it because that would collect the leaves that blow off the top of this one. So even though it's easy to clean, I had them do everything. Thanks for watching.